In this class, we will write a program to find whether the given number is a palindrome number or not. So first what we will do is we will understand what is meant by a palindrome number. After that we will understand how to write the logic for that program. So let's get started with the explanation. So what is a palindrome number? For example, let's assume that the number given by the user is 1, 2, 3. All we need to do is we have to reverse that number. So the reverse of 1, 2, 3 is 3 to 1. After reversing the number, we have to check the final outcome of the reverse number is equal to the original number or not. So if both of them are equal, then we can say that this is a palindrome number. So 1, 2, 3 is equal to 3 to 1. Is it true? No, it is not true. For example, let's assume that if the given number is 121 and if you reverse this number, we are going to get the same number. Okay, so if after reversing the number, if the outcome is same as that of the original number, then we can say that that number is a palindrome number. Now, how to write the logic for this? First, there are 3 different steps that we need to understand. First, what we have to do is we have to extract the last digit from the given number. So this, you know, we are using this in the from the last different videos from the last previous videos. We have seen how to write this logic. So a modulus division has to be done to extract this number. And the second main logic, so this is the main part of the logic that we need to understand. And in this entire logic, so what I have done is I have taken a variable called Rn, and that variable I have assigned it to 0. So what is Rn means? It is reverse the number. So reverse number. So we are writing the logic to reverse the given number. So that logic is provided here. Now what we have to do is, so reverse Rn into 10 plus digit. So what is the very important part is this logic. So what it is going to do is it is going to shift the existing reverse number to the left side. So once again, it is going to shift the existing reverse number to the left side. So we will understand in the iterations as we go on with the iterations. So and the third step is to remove the last number. So whatever the number that has been extracted, we have to remove that number. So it is very simple. Number divided by 10, we are going to remove this number. Okay. So now I've extracted the number is 3. Now here comes the logic for the reverse of the number, to reverse the number. And the first step is here Rn is equal to 0, Rn 0 into 10, again it is going to be a 0 plus digit. The digit is, we have extracted this digit and we are going to add that 0 plus 3. So the new reverse number is 3. So as of now, just keep it in mind. So as we go on with the next iteration, we will understand the exact logic for this formula. And the next step is to remove this 3. So just remove this 3 and the new number is 12. Again, we are going to make another iteration. And in this iteration, this has been removed and the new number is 12. We have to extract this 2. So now the second step is we have to do this calculation, the Rn into 10. So Rn is, the new Rn is, the previous Rn is 3. So 3 into 10. Now by doing this multiplication with 10, Rn with 10, what we are going to get? So what we are going to get is, we are going to shift the existing Rn. So what is the existing Rn, which is 3? By multiplying it with 10, we are going to get an outcome of 30. Now with this 30, we are shifting left the existing Rn value 3 to the left hand side. And a 0 will get added. Now to this, we have to add the extracted digit, which is 2. Now by adding to this 30, so just a simple multiplication. In the units place, we are going to add this 2. And we are shifting the existing number 3 to the left hand side and we are going to add a 0 by this multiplication. Simple logic, right? So the new Rn value is 32. Reverse number value is 32. See here, 3, 2 and the reverse is 32. Okay. Now the next iteration, the third step is to remove this 2 and we have to pass on to the next iteration, and now we have to extract this one. Once we extract that 1, what we have to do? We have to multiply the existing Rn, which is 32 into 10. So which is going to be 320. Now to this 320, I have to add the extracted digit, which is 1. Now this becomes 321. So this is the logic to reverse the given number. So all you need to understand is this logic. The very important part of this entire program is this logic. Remaining all logics we have understood in our previous classes and we have practiced it so many times in our previous classes. So this is the very important logical part of this entire program. Try to understand this. So now coming, let's see the program related to this palindrome number. So I have taken 4 variables. The variables are original number, the number that is given by the user, reverse number, whatever the reverse number that we're going to generate in the process, that will get stored in this variable, and initially it is 0. Digit, whatever the number that we have extracted is getting stored in this digit, and temp. In order not to spoil the original number, we are using this temporary variable. And the next is the user input. The original value, original number will get stored with the number given by the user, and the logical part. So this is the logical part, and here we are going to assign the original number to the temporary variable. As you know, we don't want to spoil the original number. While num less than, this is not num, this is original number. Okay. While, temp, this is not original number also, this is temp, a small mistake. Okay. So if the temp value is greater than 0, so let's assume that it is 1, 2, 3 given by the user. Is it greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. Now from this 1, 2, 3, the first step is to extract the last digit. So to extract, we have to do the modulus division, temp mod 10. So the last digit will get extracted and it will get stored in this digit. And the logic is the same logic that we have discussed, 0 into 10, and we have to add this digit. And the new reverse number is going to be 3. And the next one is here temp is the number. Temp is equal to temp by 10. Now with this, we are going to remove the last digit. And again the loop iterates. In the same way, we are going to generate the final result, reversed number. So is it equal? And in the final step, what we have to do is we have to compare the original number with the reversed number. If both of them are equal, we are going to display the given number is a palindrome number, or else we are going to display the given number is not a palindrome number. Okay, so let's run this program and see what is the outcome of this. So I'm running this program and enter any integer 1, 2, 3. I am entering it. See here, 1, 2, 3 is not a palindrome number. I'll run it again. I'll check another number 121. So it is a palindrome number. 121 is a palindrome number. So we'll check one more number. What we will do is 1331. So is it a palindrome number? Yes. So this is a palindrome number. Let's see that is a palindrome number. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class with another lab program.